education, raising standards and qualifications, connecting people in various places, 14 beautiful different locations. Support and deliver, now more than ever, quality programs and courses. And now in the world where technology makes learning much easier for you and me. Much easier for you and me. Easier for you and me. Flexibility. You can learn online through Moodle while you're looking up Facebook and Google, or you can learn through print. Variety of ways makes it easier than you think. CFA, a place for your future. CFA.